So there's an episode of Sesame Street that was so scary that parents wrote into the network to ask them to never show it again. And until now, it hasn't been seen since February 1976.
That makes me furious. I forgot again. Now listen, you. If you don't give me back that broom, your store is going to be more than just wet when I finish with it. And furthermore, I'll turn you into a basketball. Bounce, bounce, bounce to the basket. And as for you, my fine feathered friend, how would you like to be turned into one of these?